offer food that is good for you and is good for your body, and that's something that people are always looking for. It was like there's not another restaurant that offers what we have.
It's really nice so far here. It's very modern and kind of cozy almost. It's really hip and trendy. You can see how your food is being produced. You can tell that the food here is made really fresh. I love the music. It really keeps up the energy here.
I think we have a great staff and the building is beautiful, and it kind of makes it a full, well-rounded kind of thing.
It's like a trip for my taste buds. I really like the food. It has a lot of flavor, and you can tell that all the vegetables and the quinoa is really fresh. I think it's really good. I love like the flavoring, and I like how it's kind of like crusty with quinoa. That like adds like some nice healthy variety. The chicken is really good. I love the sauce. It has like a really nice like Asian flavor to it. So it's some really nice variety. I'm just a very big fan so far. I can't wait to continue. Teriyaki sauce is really flavorful and juicy, and this is so flavorful. I love the sauce. The rainbow carrots are really cool. They add a nice, fun, fresh component to the meal because I've never had them before. I think the chicken that we added really pulls them together and makes it a really good dish overall. I'm experiencing a lot of different new foods before. See, my bowl is completely empty. And I think Megan's is basically too, because it was so delicious and it's a perfect serving size. I think it's just an awesome serving and an awesome way to dine.